Think of a continent that is covered in ice and mystery. Under miles of frozen tundra, you might find old pyramids, lost cities, or even UFOs. What mysteries does Antarctica hide? Could these strange buildings change the past we thought we knew? Are you ready to find the unknown with us as we look into the 10 strangest things found in Antarctica? Number 10. The Frozen UFO. The photograph of what is allegedly a frozen UFO is one of the most commonly disseminated and contentious photographs that is associated with the mysteries surrounding Antarctica. In 2018, satellite photos recorded what seemed to be a disc-shaped object that was partially buried in the ice around the planet. It didn't take long for the picture to go viral, with many people asserting that it was evidence of an alien spaceship that had crashed. The item, on the other hand, is likely a natural feature, such as a frozen pond or an unusual ice formation, according to those who are skeptical of its existence. In spite of the controversy, the photograph continues to add gasoline to the fire of curiosity regarding what might be concealed beneath the ice of Antarctica. Number 9. The South Pole Station Tunnels. The Amundsen-Scott South Pole Station, which is situated at the farthest southern point on Earth, serves as a center for the accumulation of scientific knowledge. On the other hand, there are persistent allegations stating that beneath the station is a network of underground facilities and tunnels that are kept secret. The tunnels are the subject of numerous conspiracy theories, which indicate that they are a part of a covert military base, or even a location for conducting research on alien beings. In spite of the fact that there is no material proof to back up these assertions, the fact that the station's operations are kept a secret simply serves to deepen the mystery. Number 8. The Wilkes Land Anomaly. Massive gravitational anomalies have been discovered beneath the ice in the Wilkes Land region of Antarctica. These anomalies are known as the Wilkes Land Anomaly. This enigmatic edifice, which has a diameter of more than 151 miles, has been the subject of a great deal of conjecture. The remnants of a big asteroid impact may have been a contributing factor in the extinction of dinosaurs, according to the researchers who have been conducting this study. There are many who believe that it could be an ancient construction that has been buried, such as a vast city or perhaps an alien spacecraft that has crashed. Number 7. The very old lake known as Vostok. The subglacial lake known as Lake Vostok is the largest of all the subglacial lakes in Antarctica. It is submerged beneath more than 2 miles of ice. This ancient body of water was initially discovered in the 1990s, but it had been cut off from the rest of the globe for millions of years prior to its discovery. Drilling has been done by scientists into the ice that is located above the lake in the hopes of discovering microscopic life that has developed in complete isolation. On the other hand, there are many who believe that Lake Vostok might be hiding something much more enigmatic, such as the relics of a vanished civilization or even objects from another world. Number 6. The Staircase of Giant Size. A number of enormous step-like formations have been discovered on the Antarctic ice sheet, and they resemble a massive staircase that leads up a mountain. These formations have been exposed using satellite imagery. The origin of the formations, which are frequently referred to as the Giant Staircase, has been the subject of much discussion. Some scientists believe that they are the product of glacial movement or tectonic activity that occurred in the past, while others believe that they could be vestiges of a constructed construction that was created by an unknown culture that previously occupied the region. Number 5. The Ice Free Oasis. The McMurdo Dry Valleys are an unexpected oddity that can be found in the midst of the unending ice that covers Antarctica. Over the course of several decades, this ice-free zone, which is also one of the driest locations on Earth, has fascinated scientists. Ancient lake beds that have stayed liquid for millions of years can be found in the dry valleys, which are home to a variety of ecosystems found nowhere else. The fact that this region is so similar to the environment on Mars has led some experts to speculate that it may contain information regarding extraterrestrial life. Others, on the other hand, believe that it may provide hints about the climate conditions that existed on Earth in the past. Number 4. The ruins of a lost city. The year 2001 marked the year that a group of scientists and engineers made the claim that they had discovered what seemed to be the ruins of an ancient metropolis that had been buried deep beneath the ice of Antarctica. By utilizing ground-penetrating radar, they were able to identify what appeared to be massive structures that were rectangular in shape and formations that were grid-like. The idea of a lost civilization that has been preserved in time beneath the ice of Antarctica continues to feed conjecture and debate, despite the fact that the mainstream scientific community continues to take a dubious stance on the matter. Number 3. Blood Falls. Taylor Glacier is the source of a red waterfall that cascades down into Lake Bonny from the McMurdo Dry Valley. The waterfall is 5 stories tall. The cause of this mysterious occurrence has only recently been uncovered by experts, despite the fact that it appears to be a rush of blood coming from a wound present in the ice. With the creation of glaciers on top of the lake, the water that feeds Blood Falls was once a salty lake that is now sealed off from the atmosphere. This is because the lake is now surrounded by rocks. As a result of being maintained at a depth of 400 meters underground, the water has become even saltier over the course of time. It is now 3 times saltier than seawater and refuses to freeze. Additionally, the salt water is devoid of any oxygen or sunshine, and it contains an exceptionally high concentration of iron. The dark red color is imparted to the water as a result of the oxidation and rusting of the iron that occurs when the water that is rich in iron seeps through a crack in the glacier and comes into touch with the air. It is only possible to reach this spooky site by helicopter or by cruise ships that are traveling across the Ross Sea. Number 2. A strange dome structure. In 2012, a large building that resembled a dome was found that was located in the middle of the frozen plains of Antarctica. This dome, which has a diameter of more than 400 feet, has given rise to a variety of hypotheses, including the possibility that it is a natural ice creation or that it is the entrance to a secret underground facility. Some people have speculated that the structure could be an old man-made edifice, possibly dating back to a time when Antarctica was not the frozen desert that it is now. This is due to the tower's unique geometric design, which is perfect. Number 1. The pyramids of Antarctica are the first. The reported presence of structures that resemble pyramids in Antarctica is one of the most contentious and intriguing discoveries that has even been made there. Formations that have been discovered through satellite pictures and ground-level observations have been determined to have a striking similarity to pyramids, which are comparable to those that can be found in Egypt and Mesoamerica. There is a school of thought among scholars that suggests these terrain features could be natural mountains formed by wind and erosion. On the other hand, there are many who believe that these could be the remains of an old and highly developed society that once flourished in Antarctica before it eventually became submerged in ice. The continent of Antarctica, which is frozen over, continues to be one of the most mysterious places on the planet. In addition to stimulating the imagination, the mysterious buildings and formations that were found there present a challenge to our understanding of the area's history. Regardless of whether these abnormalities are the result of natural processes, the actions of humans, or something else entirely, they serve as a reminder of how much more we have to learn about the most remote corners of our world. As exploration and study efforts continue, it is possible that the mysteries of Antarctica will one day be uncovered, providing us with fresh perspectives on the history of our planet and raising the possibility of life existing beyond our planet. Don't miss out on more intriguing explorations. Subscribe now and journey with us to uncover the world's greatest mysteries. Thanks for watching.